Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen, all you fellow YouTubers. Okay, here I am. I'm back again. Let's see what's going on with this mower here. See what caused his belt to fly off. If he just had the belt come off, or if he bent the blade on it. So we're gonna see if we can try to drop this deck down on it. See what the belt looked like. Maybe look at the blades while I got it up. So hopefully I don't have to worry about it falling on me. Okay, well, let me get my little mat out. See if I can drop this deck. See what we got. Try to keep myself from getting too dirty here. Okay. Well, at least the blades look good. They're not bent. So let's see what it's gonna take to take this belt out and see what it looked like. Guess I better grab my tools. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's one. Okay, let's see if we can figure out how this belt goes around this thing. Look like it might have just slipped off. Okay, somehow I don't think this other side is on here right, so let me try to swing this belt around some and see if I can get it on here a little better. I think I'm about to get on this other side, so you guys bear with me. Well, I know you can't really see much from this side, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the other side where you can at least see what I'm doing. Okay, I guess that's a little bit better shot. Here. Whoa. Come around here. Back on. Pop it back in. And now. I should have waited on that. See if that'll work. Push the spring here. I have no idea where it got to. Got a missing spring. Well, we're just gonna hook it up anyway and see what we got. Okay, that might work. Put this back in and see what happens. Okay, it's still time, so let me just pull this back up in here. Try to keep the deck a little bit level. Let's just try it and see if it'll stay on now. Okay, now he say it should start. Let's see what it does. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we found this problem. He's got a busted housing. So therefore, I'm gonna have to take this housing off. Hopefully the deck is not messed up too bad. Yes, he's got a busted housing, and that's why his belt keeps popping off. So let me clear some of this grass out the way here. Well, it's a lot of grass. Let's see. Get some of this stuff cleared out here. Okay. Okay, let me get these bolts out. Drop this whole thing down and let's just see what we get. Look like about a 1/2.
Plus, Crayola 12-count colored pencils and 10-count markers are only 99 cents each. Don't send your kids back to school. Send them forward at Staples. $6.25 in-store only, limit 30.
Hi, I'm Flo from Progressive. You know me, I'm a huge football fan, but it can be stressful for us simple fans. So Progressive is going to help keep your mind off your team for a moment. Instead of thinking about how your team threw the wrong ball in the wrong net, just think about how Home Quote Explorer lets you easily compare our direct rates with multiple companies. Well, hope this distraction about Progressive's Home Quote Explorer was helpful. It sure helped me from stressing about my team for a bit. Anyway, go sports!
Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates. Comparison rates are not available in all states or situations. Prices vary based on how you bought.
Okay, let's see if this will fit. Get this thing over here. Real good and rusty. Well, at least it came off. Now, somehow get this pulley over here. I'll have to give me a couple extra tools here. See if I can get it to come over there.
Great job. Black and Mild, the producer from New Orleans. Got Big Frida on the track too. And Jay-Z was one of the producers of the song. And ladies and gentlemen, we are presenting to you the brand new song from Beyonce. I want to know what y'all think about it. When the song starts playing, call up here. Call up here right now. Let us know what your thoughts are. You know the number, 404-741-0104.
Let's see if that's the right size. Yep, open up. Let me get my big boy on him. Okay, see if I got something good enough to fit this one. Way too small. There, these ain't gonna work. Let me try something else. Oh, see if one of these will work. Well, not gonna work on that one. See if he'll fit on the bottom. Okay, we got one for the bottom. Let's get one for the top. it's a large boat. Okay, we got two possibilities here, so I'm about to get my other wrench. Okay, let's see if we can get this bugger over here. See if he'll work with me. Maybe. Okay. That's a little bit too large. Need to go a little bit smaller. Let me keep on searching. Okay. Yeah, that's almost there. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Okay. Now let's see what we get. See if I can get this baby over here. There we go. That's up to hold it better. Alright. And we finally got him off. Everything up here. Get the bottom bolt off. Laid there. And that's what we got. Just came right apart. That's the shaft. Goes inside of it. That right there is what holds it all together. Can't go anywhere, so what we got? Cracked shaft. Let's see if I can get these bolts out of here now.
And I always try to give a little education when I talk about this. Listed on the writers are the two writers Show Me Love. So the guys that made the beat.
Okay, this is going to be a little bit more complicated.
On Beyonce's album.
Because now the whole thing's turning. That's not good.
Because she didn't make the beat. And that's why when you guys are out here making beats for these people, always retain your writer's rights.
That's
a song over
right up in there too.
Get those
So
writers
basically there's really no way to put anything on these things to hold them.
So overall, your thoughts, Nina?
Unless, let me see, maybe I can get a pipe wrench or something else on there to hold it from the inside.
on point with making sure like current events are in it. I mean, she's talking about masks and quitting your job and being outside. Like, you know, you're
All right.
you know,
Let's try this and see what happens.
Click, snap. Like, this is what we do.
Yeah.
And you know what? Our
Maybe I can hold him.
we take the songs
Maybe
and we
not.
turn them into social media captions. So I'm like, oh, new caption, new caption. Like, we love it. We're feeling it.
Yeah.
See if that'll
I can see
work.
it on TikTok already. What are the TikTok videos gonna look like?
Yeah, facts. But I mean, even Big Frida's part, it says release your anger, release your mind, release your job, release the time, release your trade, release the stress, release the love, forget the rest.
Come on, Big Frida.
Okay?
Come on, Big Frida. Do that thing, Big Frida. Is that Niles? Niles wants to make a comment? All right, Niles, what you say, Niles?
So, I think I got home from work late last night around, I don't know, I think it was like 11:30 or midnight, listening to the song, and I found it funny how she, after I got home from work, she was telling me to leave my job and phone. I thought that was hilarious.
Okay, folks, that's one down.
Always so good.
Put him right there.
Up to the current trend. And the current trend was what? The great
See if I can get these other two off.
Look at all the people that quit their jobs. They're gonna be like, yes, Beyonce did it.
And it's also like the mental health of it. We just survived the pandemic, y'all. People lost their jobs, people died, now the kids are not in school, being homeschooled. And it's like our soul, they tried to break our soul. Like that was like real mental health 101. I mean, and God forbid you've been through a breakup. A lot of people went through divorces in the pandemic. You tried to break my soul, and I didn't let you. Like,
I will say this. It was very interesting how the internet killed Drake about doing the damn thing.
It's just a little metal plate that gets to hold everything together.
we're not going
Okay, that's the other little piece.
And it's the lyrics. Like, it really is. You know, with black folks.
It's very
And
energetic.
let's get this third one.
When she said B is back and I'm sleeping real
Try
good
to.
at night, do you know how many women out here talking like snap, snap? Well, to be able to sleep at night, to sleep good at night. And not have to
Oh,
worry
boy.
about it.
The word.
Okay.
Very good.
This is a good one.
Very good, Beyonce.
Yes, please.
And I really
Oh.
think good job from a musical perspective.
Well,
Putting Big Freedom on there.
Okay.
at least he did me a favor and broke.
Changes the whole perspective of the song.
Well, at least he come off.
Changes the whole.
So now,
That's what I'm saying.
what you gonna have to do,
But he had the tracks on there. He had some
just
tracks
get him
on
another
there
set
that
of
are
these.
tempo like that.
Yeah.
But it's just him
Another set of
rapping.
houses.
There was nothing to break up the
So be on the
monotony,
safe side.
you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
As old as this thing is, and I guess as much wear and tear as it has,
She has up her sleeve.
you might well just go ahead and replace both of them.
Okay.
They said
Be on
that
the safe
album is
side.
gonna be part dance and
That
part
way,
country
you won't have to worry about them
Yeah, I saw
breaking
that. But I'm
again.
saying the act 1, act 2.
Hopefully they
act
come with
3,
their own
like,
boats.
is one act gonna be country,
Put them in
one
there,
act
bolt
gonna
them
be
right
dance?
up,
Oh wow.
Yeah.
put the blade on, and
Will Jay-Z
hook
make
up the
an
belt,
appearance?
and ready to go.
What's the name of the album?
Yeah,
Think
got
about
the
that.
little extension plate on the
Think
bottom.
about that.
Yeah.
Think about using that word.
Okay,
Boy,
folks.
listen to this, though.
And you know she dropped
Not the
name
valuable
of the
lesson
album
here
2
today.
years ago. Beyonce thinks she's slick.
So I hope some of you might have learned something.
She was like, I feel a renaissance
Most of you
coming
did,
on.
most of you probably
But you know how
didn't, but
social media is. They
a lot of you probably already know how to do this. So
every little thing, and they're like, look at Beyonce
I'm just
doing
trying to
this 2 years ago
see
when
if I can
the
keep my
album
channel
was,
going
and no one
some
even
and
picked up on it.
just throw,
I gotta tell you,
bring everything I can and
my
just
new
let
album,
everybody
Climate Change, is coming out.
see what I'm
And
doing,
when it
and
comes out, it's got some
maybe
music
maybe you
like
might
that.
learn
So I'm
something,
excited.
maybe you won't.
I'm excited. Open the door
Maybe
for me,
you've already
please.
done it.
Drake, open the door
Probably
for me,
saying, oh, I
please.
know how to
Beyonce,
do
open
that.
the
I've
door.
done that before.
I came in the door. I said it
Okay,
before.
that's cool.
I know that's right.
Come on, we are ready. So if you're
No
ready,
harm in learning something new,
You take
right?
a page out of Beyonce's book and not Drake's book.
Whether you done it or not. I learn something new every day.
all right, got you, Nina Brown, 100%.
So, I'm gonna go ahead and let this down or find something to prop it up with. And see what we got on this brand new carburetor for this car. Remember
Gotcha.
Ford Mustang a few days ago, a couple of weeks ago? Finally got it to crank up and run. So you might need another carburetor, may need it rebuilt. So you decide to go with a brand new carburetor. So let me tidy this up and Come back and see what he got on the carburetor right quick. Okay, stay tuned. I'll be right back.